Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm showing off my new drone, the DROCON Bugs 3. And as you do see right here, it's much bigger than the Journey. And recently I lost my Journey in a tree. Sorry I did not give out the update. I just thought that was not reasonable for a video. And so I got the blue bugs actually, and that is the controller. And it was about $80 I guess. And it's a much bigger size than actually though the Sky Vipers. I did actually have the hover racer. I will be doing a review of that, but I just want to remind you that I did actually get the DROCON hover racer, the DROCON Bugs 3. I'm sorry, why did I say DROCON? That's the Sky Viper, the DROCON Bugs 3. So hopefully you guys though do enjoy the series with the DROCON Bugs 3. I'll be doing some flying videos, and hopefully so we can have a good time. See you guys later. Bye.